Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple developer unknown error on iPhone or iPad. If you are using an iPhone or iPad and you're trying to log in with your Apple developer and you're facing the issues, let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go to general, and here go to software updates, try to update your software. Then go back, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go back from here. If you're trying to log in with your Apple Developer account in Apple Developer app, so you can try to update your apps, open your App Store here. Just go for search and search for Apple Developer, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Apple Developer app. If you find this, try to update your app. After updating, you have to go back from here. You can also go to your settings app here, go to app section, and here you go to browser. It might be your Safari browser. I'm gonna open my Safari browser here. Just scroll down, look for clear history and website data. Select this option, then tap on clear history. So it will clear history and all the website data because sometimes your website data must include some bugs or junk files. It might be fixed in this step. After doing this, you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Not true that you have to quickly press on the volume up and then volume down the press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just go for the search option and search for Apple developer, or you can simply search for developer here. Once you get the app, just tap on it, then tap on offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your Apple developer app, it will be fixed in this tab and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to log in your account on Apple developer website to prevent any kind of issue you have. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.